Alright friends, now we have reached the for loop. The for loop is type of a loop, and when I want to repeat an operation on a specific number of times, I can place that operation inside a loop and execute it repeatedly using a for loop. So let's see how it works. I open a for loop and start by assigning an initial value. So I can define the integer e. So integer e equals to 1. I can define integer e outside or inside the for loop. Generally, I prefer to define outside the for loop. I mean, I can define here integer e, but I assign my initial value here inside the for loop. I can do that. Okay. So then after the semicolon, we write the condition part of the loop. For example, we want the loop to continue as long as e is less than or equals to 5. So for doing this, I come here. E is less than or equals to 5. This is my condition part. Next, we write the increment part. We can write decrement part too. I can increase or decrease it. Let's start by the increment part. So I come here after the semicolon. I say e plus plus. It means I increase e value one by one after every loop cycle. Okay, so I open my curly braces. So right now I can do whatever I want. But let's read this for loop. So I start e value from 1 and it goes inside. I mean, the code inside the for loop will run. And then I increase e value. E becomes 2. So I'm checking the condition. 2 is less than or equals to 5. Yes. So I'm inside the for loop again. So the code inside the for loop will run again. Okay. So after running, I increase e value again. So e becomes 3. So I check this condition. 3 is less than or equals to 5. Yes. So I run this code again. I increase e value. E becomes 4. So 4 is less than or equals to 5. Yes. I run this code again. And then I increase e value. I'm checking the condition. 5 is less than or equals to 5. Yes. I run this code again. So how many times I run this code? 5 times. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I loop through 5 times. I mean, the code inside the for loop will run 5 times. So I can use e value here. Or if I don't prefer to use it, I cannot do that. If I use e value here, let's print e value. I close my pen. So I come here. I say system.out.println and then I put my e value. So I save it. I run it. You see, it starts from 1. It continues one by one and it ends at 5. I print from 1 to 5. Super. If I want the numbers to be printed on the same line with a space in between, what I need to do? I need to use print instead of println. So let's do it. I come here, I say print, and then after e value, I put 1 space. So this way, all the numbers will appear side by side on one line, separated by space. So let's run it. I run it. You see, I print it as I want. So you can format the output however you like. So this is the basic structure of a for loop. I initialize here and then I put my condition and then I increase or decrease. So increment or decrement. So all written in the same line. Super. So for loop is compact and very useful when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat something. See you in the next lesson.